Welcome back to our channel, guys. This is day what? Day 6. So today we might go to Diana Bar. We're gonna check it out for the first time. We still haven't been there yet, surprisingly.
We went through it so many times.
Yeah, we went there and it was locked. It was closed, I mean, sorry. It was closed, so it probably went at the wrong time. Anyways, yeah, we're going today, so we'll take you guys along with us. I just told Dunya right now I want to get this girl's number, and she's like, you have to do it the right way. You have to go and ask her parents. Like, who even does that nowadays?
2018.
Like, what the hell, dude?
You know, the family, you have to do everything legally.
Just because you're in Eritrea doesn't mean like everything has to be the right.
If I were you, I would slide illegally, legally, every single way.
Every kind of way.
The girl's worth it. Trust me.
She's just blocking me, guys. I don't know. I don't think it's ever gonna work out. I have to get rid of Dunya.
Why would you go ask their parents?
I don't know. Like, who even does that?
But if you do it, do everything the right way. Use your girlfriend.
Alright, how's the right way?
How's the right way?
How's
Please explain. Elaborate, please. How's the right way? Okay, I found this girl I like. So what do I do?
You talk, you be friends, and then after.
Yeah. Okay. Then how do I approach her? I just thought. Okay. I'm gonna let this train pass. I'm gonna let this train pass.
Start off by you build
Why
a
would
good
you talk
foundation.
and then build a friendship and then be a boyfriend?
Because
Come on, that's time
Or
wasted.
just like slide in her DMs. That doesn't work here. Just slide on her text.
Yeah.
Messages. Every time, baby.
Or you just knock on her door and say, hey, do you want to be my girlfriend?
This ain't it, Chief.
There is
Friendship first, and then after you go.
She has 6 days left. Within a week, you want him to build a friendship,
Exactly.
get to know her,
and then
get to know her parents,
they
and
talk,
then ask her out.
They be friends for a while, like 6 months, and let's say he comes back in the summer, and then she can ask her out, and then
That's
after.
crazy. That's time consuming.
No, it's not.
بس هاي نايب لكارلو. مسراز.
هذا ما يقدر اخني سالم دنا
ساعة عادي ساقدر ساعة سخيفة
سخيف إذا بدك نخم دنيا
يا خمناتك خمسة حد يحزني يا أخي بصحة
سمع أوه.
إذا بدك ذا حزن لها
أكتم عن حد
أنا يقول لك صدق
فقط يناتك فقط
هم تاتي بالليل أنا هم تاتي بالليل
كلب كأتلو قليل كاتف كده أنا
أي ما يصراحة دي فقط توصل ما فقط توصل
أوه سخابرت أتوخا ستين دخا لا تزارب
This is how we walk in Eritrea, guys. Like around, how many? We're like 15 people all gathered up. We fill up the streets. Elites, baby, that's how we do. Crossing the streets. بطل أنا من بهم خوني خيط باسل ما يسمع فلانيكم
يبايسو نهم يمتحنون
أنا من بهم لخو بلي ما تها هو فتنا له
يا بقيع
هل تراي دخوله
اسمعني يا بقيع يا كبشكلتها
أوه كبشكلتها دني والله كبشكلتها لا خلاص دينا
أنا نسخن حدا عندنا أنا نسخن حدا عندنا
مانوال
كيف أنا تكسر لك رقدي أنا
We're entering Sunshine Hotel right now for our first time. Ooh, nice. I like it.
So we're currently heading into Sunshine Hotel now. There's an open piano, I guess.
Open piano bar?
Yeah,
Something
open
like
piano
that.
bar. What? So anyone can go in and perform. We're gonna show some talented people and show you guys how it is from the inside.
Right now.
We're walking in. Oops, almost tripped. Sunshine Hotel. This is the hotel from the inside. They have like an open piano today. Any talented musician can come and perform. Tips.
No, that's like our private.
Yeah, they took us to the VIP lounge, guys.
Guys, this feeling is freaking amazing. Our first time ever being here. It's incredible. They're playing our song right now.
YouTube channel? Yeah. YouTube channel? Yeah. Join us, get it!
Subscribe and share, nigga.
We're currently heading out Diana Bar.
Diana Bar was lit, by the way.
Yeah, after that lit ass DJ dude that played our song. It was amazing,
First
guys.
of all, I would like to give a huge shout out to the DJ. I didn't catch his name, but he's lit. Shout out to the DJ at Diana Bar.
That dude was amazing, man. So we're currently locked outside. Yeah. And we're trying to jump in from the window. Yeah, so yeah.
So Aaron's gonna jump in the window right now. He's gonna save the day because we're locked outside. Save the day, Aaron, after a full send of a day. You can do it, Aaron. I believe in you. Go.
Why are you timing at the street?
No.
You can do it, Aaron. Let's go.
Why are you timing at the street?
I think Aaron is stuck. Our friend Hannah is trying to help him right now.
Does it have lunch?
Yeah, he's taking off his jacket. Yeah, Aaron, let's go, baby.
No.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, Aaron. Oh my god. If we go out tomorrow, let's take the key. Oh no, the jacket is stuck. The jacket is stuck. We're going inside right now. You're kidding. We made it home, guys. But Hannah, the jacket is okay though, right?
Fine.
What about you, Aaron? Are you okay?
I'm just bleeding.
Oh my god.
It's okay though.